So welcome back to the channel, everyone, and it's time again to go and get a new toy. So we're going to head down Redfield Models and see what Jason's got for us. So I'll see you in a minute. None of you guys have seen this. I treat myself to a motorbike. You know what Kev says. So I love my motorbikes. So I bought this KTM 790 Duke. So I come out of the bike today, down to visit Redfield Models and see what new bits, cars we have. Let's go and have a look. Ah, here we are. Many new models. Many models in the shop.
Mr. Andy.
We've got store owner,
Hello.
Mr. Jason.
Morning. How's it going?
All good, you?
Yeah, it's very nice, yes.
So I've come to collect my new car today.
Ah.
Where is it at? It's another new toy. Ah, very nice.
Back in stock again. So have you seen one actually?
No, I haven't seen one yet. I know Max has smashed a few up, but I haven't actually got one. Look at that, look.
Drive, amazing. It's one of those things we all sort of gasped when we saw the colour scheme as well, but I think it's really, really nice actually. It's all grown on us. Kind of cool.
Get rid of the old box for you.
And they've proven to be ridiculously strong as well. It's quite silly how strong these things are.
Yeah, look at that, very pretty.
Super
So
nice.
this one is the roller. So we'll be taking the electronics out of my Big Rock 6S to put in this.
Cool.
So should be good. Yes, video coming on that soon. Got a load of electronics for that at home, so get a video and take it out for a bash at some point. All the stock we got in the shop. All the Tamiya kits and Kyosho kits up there that I love building.
Your Citroen DS up there is kind of cool.
Oh, where is that? Yeah, look, up there.
Like a crazy drift car.
Yeah, we'll make a good drift car, isn't it? So that's the new Tamiya. Citroen DS, and we got the new NSX over there. Maybe I'll build one of them at some point. See, I love my old JDM cars. We've got the planes.
Yeah, just got an order for another one of those new crawlers. Have you seen them?
No, what's that? New crawler? Let's have a look. What we got?
These. By actual fact, to be honest, I was going to pinch one anyway. Tell you what, all you'll have.
Oh, so you're buying yourself, oh, it's your birthday soon, isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh, buying himself a birthday present.
I'm going to have that green one, so I'll show you that one. I've got to put a blue one out the back for a customer. 1 second.
But I'll let you have it. It's your birthday present. So, what is it? I mean,
so it's FTX's, they've kind of smashed it out of the park. They've created a low C of G 18th scale comp crawler, and it's got portal axles. It's got slightly larger than normal 1.5 inch beadlock wheels. It's got a scale tucked comp crawler body. It's got a diamond cut aluminium chassis, 2-speed transmission, but most importantly, it's got a real Furitek Lizard Pro brushless motor in ESC.
really?
Which is ridiculous, yeah. And we normally charge, well, to be honest, everyone normally charges like 130 for that motor in ESC, and the car, complete all bits I just said, ready to run, is 185.
Say that again. How much is this?
185.
I came in last week and he had one sort of over there, and I just walked straight past it. I'm not a massive fan of little crawlers. I never have been for some reason. So I just like, I looked, I was like, nah, one of them, another 112. What is it? 112?
18th.
1/18 scale crawler. I was like, rah. Let's carry on walking. Had a quick look. Weren't too bothered. But now I've just seen that what it comes with for the money is ridiculous. I don't know how they've done it. So just for a quick comparison, this one, full Furitek brushless system, 2-speed.
Portal axles.
Portal axles. And then you get a TRX4. This is brushed TRX4M, and how much are they?
Single speed, no portals, and they're 195 retail, so it's a tenner deal.
So 195, more expensive for a higher CFG as well.
Yeah, very much so, yeah.
Because obviously, that's a TRX4 Land Rover, it's a lot higher. So
they are really pretty body shells, though, and there's tons of upgrades. They're cool cars, but I think maybe the best combination in the world would be to combine the two. Should we have a look?
Yeah, definitely, let's have a look. Get it unboxed.
Right, there we go. We've got a nice emerald green one.
Now, look at the colour of that. That is one of my favourite colours as well, this sort of green.
Super cool, eh? Definitely have a look.
Peel, best bit now, look, peeling it all off.
Such a cool colour. Looks like one of the Tamiya greens, actually. It's nice.
So, size comparison. Let's put them side by side. So, very similar. What I like about it, it's a lot lower. So,
a nice Furitek style transmitters. Pretty cool.
So that's the transmitter. It comes without the box. So it is completely ready to run this model. You've got controller, the charger, manual. You get your tool in there as well.
Put some batteries in.
Some batteries in the controller. So it's fully ready to run this little model.
So I would say the wheelbase is 1.5 cm longer.
Cool, so while Jason's put the batteries in, this is where we're going to be taking it on the old famous Redfin indoor crawler track. So all you need to supply with this, just 4 AAA batteries.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Make sure you get some of those when you get one of these.
See what's under the hood.
Tyres are really, really nice as well. You've got 3-stage lugs on there and they're nice and soft. There's very soft. There is inserts in there, but they're quite soft.
Oh, very supple. Oh, look at that, look.
But it's just mad quality. Look at that.
Look at the quality of that system, everyone. It's fantastic.
Really, really nice. Surprising. Metal geared steering servo. Say 2-speed transmission there. Genuine Furitek Lizard Pro system. There we go, so let's power him up anyway. Actually, before we power it up, shall I quickly try and emphasise the TRX4M body?
Yes, let's see if we can actually get another body on it. I know you have another body though, don't you, for your one? So we'll have a look at that as well.
For the Jeep fans. So Land Rover, if you're a big fan of these Land Rovers, but you're not satisfied with that in terms of performance, you know, compare that on there. I'll just support it because we haven't created any mounting system, but to me that looks right. That looks awesome.
Yeah, it does.
The wheelbase doesn't even look out at all. If I rest it down, you'll see the wheels actually sit really quite nicely.
Looks absolutely epic.
Looks like Kev's Andy Landy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually. It actually does look like Andy Landy because Kev's one's obviously exactly the same because it's got a lot big offset on the wheels as well.
Another quick TRX4M body comparison. This is Endurer's new Jeep XJ. The American fans are like this.
Yeah, so this is a hard body as well, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's a new one actually.
Very, very good quality.
I reckon a couple of little bits of magnet system at the side here would pick up on the side rails in this car, and you'd be able to mount that again quite neatly, like that. It just looks
definitely.
right.
Look at that. Yeah, definitely.
Again, drop it down. Looks amazing. So it's probably not optimal for performance, but the combination of the two is fantastic. I think that's super cool. Yeah,
it's obviously with the lower sleek body on it, it's going to have better centre of gravity, isn't it? You've got obviously heavier body on it, it's going to...
And also you've got this, because this body's like a tuck body as well, you can have it in a low position but still actually have clearance for the wheels. And
this is obviously going to be considerably, lighter.
Yeah, super light comparison.
Than that one.
Yeah, the hard bodies are quite heavy.
Oh wow, yeah.
I reckon there's probably a way of attaching that. I haven't done it yet because we only just got it out of the packet. But there are little spring-loaded clips here for the TRX4M style body mount. I think.
Well, so you could buy the.
Well,
maybe the clip system off of that.
Well, yeah, it's just a case of transferring these bars because the chassis width is similar. I suspect that it's only 2 screws. I reckon that might go on there. Okay. We haven't tried it, but at worst, you're going to drill 2 new holes in the chassis. Switch them on.
Yeah.
Power light indicator there, and then connect the battery. You got a little on-off switch at the back. One of those.
Now the old familiar Furitek sound.
That's it. So, just show quickly, you've got first gear, neutral, and then second gear. So first gear looks like this. You can even see that moving.
Yeah, look how slow that is, ridiculous.
It's a little motor turning.
Yeah, look at the little motor, how slow that motor turns. A little outrunner motor in there, look. It's amazing. Look how...
You can even go slower, look. Noisy, isn't it?
Ridiculous. It's very noisy, yeah. I don't know if anyone can hear all that noise.
A bit quicker. Lose your audience otherwise. Yeah, it's got really nice flex as well. Like, to give a quick idea, I'll do it a bit quicker so no one gets too desperately bored. But
wow, look at that.
It's just so controllable. Really lovely.
So that's also too, it's quite rapid as well, isn't it?
Yeah, so you've got that, and then full speed and forwards is about that. And then you've got your neutral in the middle. And then you've got your second gear, which is...
Wow, look at that.
It's actually quite pokey. I guess we could give it a quick run on the floor, see how it goes.
Wow, yeah, oh, wow. Tumble wumble. Wow.
It's super fast though, isn't it?
Yeah. Awesome. Wow, look at it. Oh, look at the clearance.
Yeah, it's mad. You've
and again,
got almost 2 centimetres more.
This one, so yeah.
So if I get a ruler out, that is a complete no-go if I do that from the front.
Yes, we can't get a ruler under there.
No-go. And then on this one,
that's ridiculous. And that's £10 cheaper than that.
Yes.
Wow. Well, let's get her on the track then.
Right,
see how it performs.
Oh, Oh, that's a bit tight.
That's what she said. It still gets down there though.
Oh, yeah,
the track is a bit wider track to the TRX4M.
Got very good flex there. Quite cool. Literally just climbing the wall, look.
It's got a lot of grip as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, that's the problem. This wall, that might. Oh. No one's ever driven up here. Are you ready, yes?
Okay, so see how capable it is now.
Give it a try. You're still in first, yeah?
I haven't changed it, I haven't touched it.
Oh, I'll try a different angle. You just get a wheel. Oh, that's...
Oh, hand of God.
Hold on, just position it like that. Oh. See, that's ridiculous. Nothing's ever driven like that. So all that is slope.
Yes, this is quite a hard slope, yeah. You can't really see on video.
Really not an issue. Oh. I reckon I've still got this. Oh. See that throttle control?
Yeah, look at the throttle control, that's amazing.
And look at the angle that's climbing that way as well. Look.
Yeah, not a lot of cars make it up there. I mean, your little comp thingy you had would make it up there, but they had no...
say how much I spent on that either.
That was about, yeah, quite expensive, that one. So you're going to try and go up. They're not going to try and run the people over,
no,
Jason,
move the
are you?
people,
Oh, right,
that would
okay.
be inappropriate, wasn't it? Okay. Okay. I feel like it's going to tip over, but...
You thought it might tip over, but... It's doing it.
I don't know. I mean, we are really close to it.
What are you destroying over there? Go back a bit. Reverse. Oh, hand of God.
Abort. Right, let's try
Different
that.
angle.
Let's try
They're severely steep.
that. That's pretty much what it's called. I still think that can do that, you know. Try one more time, then I give up. There's got to be an angle that you can do that. Pull everyone too much. The problem is I'm getting the rear wheel hit before the front wheel gets on the slope. It's really not going to help. Right. I said last time, I meant this is the last time. Let's try, rather than going up the road, let's just go up the bit that's definitely not a road.
Okay.
That's fairly uneventful. See, that's just not really a challenge.
No, you're getting... That's ridiculous.
They made it too good. Well,
yeah, it's super good.
Too good.
And they're super priced. So, what, yeah, look, super little car that is. So, FTX Utah. They are £189. Oh, sorry, 108 less. 184.99.
Yeah.
It's about $210-ish, I think. Something like that.
Yeah,
So, super cheap. It's surprising, though, that there's nothing on the box about having it Furitek. I find that very, very strange.
very small letters.
Yeah. What does it actually say about that?
It says somewhere down here. Yeah, look, in that tiny little writing.
No, but even still can't even look. Tiny, that's mad.
It should be written in big letters. It's the best system for these small crawlers.
Yeah, what an awesome little crawler that is.
Do you know another nice feature as well, I just spotted? You've got a huge amount of adjustment for shock absorber angles as well as lower link mounting points. So you can really, really customise the way it flexes and stuff like that, you know?
Yeah. Have they got upgrades for these coming at any point, do you know?
I hope so, because I think well, to be fair, I think that looks the same as an... It looks very similar to the FCX 24. It looks very similar to the FMS axles.
Yeah, that's wider track though, isn't it, by the look of it?
And the diff's slightly the wrong way around, yeah. Yeah, maybe. But it'd be lovely if they made like...
It's actually nice to see though. I mean, they haven't done what a lot of manufacturers do and use an old car and just put new electronics in it.
Yeah,
it's
no, it looks
fully
new.
new design.
Looks really nice. Very supple. I think you'd get mad flex out of it if you rotated the top of the shock down a little bit on the frame. And yeah, no, just super impressive. Yeah. Very, very cool. Good base for a mad comp build as well.
Yeah. Very so obviously, if anyone wants to come down and see, you do have ones that people can borrow as well and use on your track, don't you?
We do.
Yes. So you can come down, have a go on the really cool little track here at Redfin Models. And we've got loads of other cool stuff in here. All the plain section in there. We've got all the cars on display there. The new X-Max is up here as well. That is the Mark 6 version up there. We have those in stock. Big Rock 6S. All the bodies you'll ever need. A couple of old goats over there. Many nice things. Yes, if you want to get one of these, pop down and see us at Redfin Models. So we've got the email address on there, telephone number there. We are based in Baldock in the UK.
North Hertfordshire.
North Hertfordshire in the UK. So yeah, pop down and see us. So thanks for watching everyone. Until the next video, I'll see you soon. Ta-ta now.
See ya.
And remember everyone, you can win one of these limited edition RC 3D printed jet boats. The Game Over limited edition or one of your choice. Link in the description.